Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Gmail add-on for Pipedrive lead tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Gmail add-on for Pipedrive lead tracking, start by opening your web browser. Type Gmail add-on for Pipedrive into the search bar. Click on the official Pipedrive link to ensure you're on the correct site. Once on the Pipedrive page, look for the Get Started or Install button. Click on this button to begin the installation process. You will be directed to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the Marketplace, click on the Install button. Follow any prompts that appear on your screen. You may need to grant permissions for the add-on to access your Gmail account. After permissions are granted, the installation will complete. Now return to your Gmail account. On the right side of your Gmail interface, look for the Pipedrive icon. Click on the Pipedrive icon to open the add-on. You should now see the Pipedrive panel on the right side of your Gmail. Log into your Pipedrive account if prompted. Once you're logged in, you can start using the add-on for lead tracking. To add a new lead, click on the appropriate option in the Pipedrive panel. Fill in the required details about your lead. Finally, click Save to add the lead to your Pipedrive account. That's it. You are now ready to track leads directly from your Gmail using Pipedrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.